Okay, so hey everyone, this is Krantesh, and in this video I will show you how you can install SSL on a website, on a live website for free. Okay, so generally SSL are the HTTPS part that you see on every website. It means that there are two kind of websites. Okay, those websites that are secure, onto which you can easily transfer your payment details, credit card details, and are generally considered by Google as safe websites. Okay, so Google actually give them a privilege in comparison to those websites, those who do not have SSL certificates on their websites. Okay, so this is about little about SSL certificates and all. Okay, so for example, if I open my website krantesh.com, okay, just for an example. Okay, so let me just change the scene. Yeah, so as you can see, my website has SSL because onto the Chrome browser, if you look at the URL part, my URL is not HTTP, it is at HTTPS and then followed by my domain name. Okay, so now also you can see that my website has this lock symbol. Okay, this lock symbol is very important, so that it identifies any website as like this website has SSL installed. So SSL is secured server layer. Okay, onto your server, so that whenever the exchange of information will happen, those information will not be hacked by any third party software or any kind of network or hacker. Okay, so this is a bit about SSL. And now it is very important you to have, if you are just started out your website and you want to install SSL, so this video is for you. So let's get into it. So in this video I will show you how I will install SSL for free for a live website. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do is, let me just show you the website onto which I have to install SSL. Okay, so the website name is olivehealthcare.com. It's a diagnosis website. Okay, so as you can see I am on my Google Chrome browser, and while open. Okay, so now as you can see, this website do not have SSL right now. As of now, this website olivehealthcare.com do not have an SSL certificate installed on its server. Okay, so now whenever someone will open this website on Google Chrome or any other browser, so the browser itself will show an error message like your connection is not private. Attackers might be trying to steal your information from olivehealthcare.com, like when you enter your password messages or fill up a form, or maybe you do a transaction online. So if you are doing something online on olivehealthcare.com, then there is some connection is not private, it means it is public. Okay, so that it can be attacked by some hacker, or maybe someone steal your information. Okay, so this is the role of SSL certificate and in the importance of SSL certificate on your hosting or on your server. Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can install SSL certificate on your server. Okay, so for this instance, this website is hosted on GoDaddy hosting. Okay, so after you purchase hosting, you will get a cPanel. Okay, so let me just log into this cPanel. So as you can see, it's authenticating as of now, and then yeah, so login is successful. So you have to log into your cPanel. So there are multiple ways you can log into your cPanel. You can either log into your GoDaddy account, then go to the cPanel account. Okay, or you can just if you know the direct link, you can just use your username and the password you have created and log into your cPanel. Okay, so it's taking a bit time. So I guess my internet is okay. Yes, my internet is okay. So the thing is that GoDaddy hosting sucks. Okay, so if you are planning to host your website new, so I will drop down a link below in this in the description of this video, so you can go to that link and purchase hosting from SiteGround. Okay, SiteGround provides the best hosting as of now, and I host all my website. Okay, this is website hosted on my client server. Okay, so now this is the cPanel, guys. Okay, so this all the buttons or apps you are seeing here, these are all the parts of cPanel. So cPanel is a interface which is used to talk to your server, because ultimately if your server is a remote computer. Okay, and to access that remote computer you either need to learn coding stuff and all. Okay, or cPanel is the interface between your remote computer that is alive 24/7. Okay, so this is the quick intro to what is cPanel. Okay, now let me go to the SSL. Okay, SSL part, this option of SSL in the under security banner you can find the term SSL, or you can just type this thing here SSL and you will get it. Okay, so it's loading now as you can see there are some options. Okay, so like generate, view, upload or delete your private keys, generate, view or delete SSL certificate, signing request. So now I will click on manage SSL sites. Okay, now this website do not have SSL as of now. Okay, I will install SSL for 3 months for free. Okay, now as you can see SSL here you can all see all the website hosted on this server. Also you can see their certificate expiration. Okay, so this like as you can see 33builders.in have expired its SSL certificate, and Olive Health also expired its certificates, and the expiry date of the olivehealthcare.com SL is 5th October 2020. Okay, so I will try to install SSL on this. Okay, so after if now just go to this Olive Health, so choose the domain name onto which you want to install the SSL. Okay, now I will go to free SSL. Okay, so this website SSL for free, so you have to go to this website and then you have to type in your domain name onto which you want to install your SSL. Okay, so let me just zoom in for you guys. Yeah, okay, so as you can see olivehealthcare.com, I just typed it. Now I have to click on create free SSL certificate. Now after clicking on that, you have to create an account for this website SSL for free. Okay, so I guess I already have account. Yeah, so I already have account, so I just have to log in instead of creating a new account and then logging into it. Okay, so then I will like click on new certificate. Okay, and you just have to type your domain name again here. Okay, so it just says type your domain name, so you do not have to include https or anything. Okay, so you just have to type naked domain name. Naked domain name, it means that you do not have to type http or https or anything. Okay, now the next step is what do you want? You want 90-day certificate. 90-day certificate is free. Okay, and if you want 1-year certificate, then you have to pay for it. Okay, now what people actually do it, they renew their certificate after every 3 months. Okay, so this is how you can easily install SSL for free. Yeah, this step, and then you have to like click on this free free. Why this is selected, man? you have reached the maximum amount of 90 days certificate on free plan. Okay, based on your is no, I do not want this. Limit reached. So it is showing like 90 days certificates. Okay, so you have to click on your certificates, and then as you can see there is no current certificate issued. Okay, then you have to click on new certificate, and then you have to put on your enter your domain name. Okay, so I will select for 90 days, and then CSR and contact auto generate. Then you have to click on this. Okay, free month. So with your free account you can create 3 SSL certificates. Okay, 90 days. Okay, so click on next steps. So your certificate has been created and it is ready for domain verification. Okay, so they will verify domain name. Okay, like they are issuing the certificates for the right domain, so that's why they are verifying this. And to verify, you only have to verify your DNS. Okay, and to verify DNS you have to log into your DNS manager. Okay, and in my case I am using Cloudflare. So I will log into my Cloudflare account. This is my Cloudflare account where I'm using Cloudflare to manage all my DNS. Okay, so I will go to Olive. Yeah, so I am on the DNS part of olivehealthcare.com, and yeah, CNAME. As you can see in the instruction, it is mentioned that you have to sign to your DNS provider. Okay, typically your registrar of your domain, navigate to this DNS record, and CNAME. We have to add the CNAME. Okay, so click on add record, select the CNAME, and you have to copy this thing. Okay, the name part has to be pasted down here. Okay, and then you have to point it to this thing, this target. Okay, and since we are not using any proxy, it is recommended to turn this option off. Okay, and then click on save. Okay, after you do this, wait for a while. As you can see, this CNAME has been added in the list of DNS of olivehealthcare.com. Okay, so we will wait for a while, and then we will click on next step, and then we will verify it. Okay, and it will automatically verify by checking your DNS, and then it will issue a certificate for 90 days. Okay, need to click on next steps, and we have to click on verify domain. Okay, and yeah, I hope it's so it's verified. Okay, it has verified our CNAME record that we just did onto the Cloudflare thing. Okay, so download certificate. Okay, let us download the certificate. Okay, and let us see what are the next steps. Okay, so say now we have downloaded this zip file. Okay, so we have downloaded this zip file and successfully created our so this is our zip file that we have, that has got the credentials or the secret to install SSL key. Now as you can see, these are three files. The first one is CA bundle, the second one is certificate, and the third is private key. And now certificate. Okay, so just right click on this and open with you have to open with Notepad. Okay, just open with Notepad, select all, copy all and paste it here. Okay, and then close it, and then private key, open this thing with Notepad. Okay, yeah, because this code is encrypted, guys. Okay, this code is encrypted, and this encrypted code help us to make the private connection secure. Okay, Notepad, and this is the CA bundle. Okay, and I just copied it, and then I pasted it here. Okay, and then I have selected the right domain name. Always check you are installing the right certificates onto the right domain. Okay, so now I will click on install certificate. Okay, it will take a few seconds, and then it will install SSL on our website. Okay, onto the server, and then our website. Yeah, as you can see, the message, okay, the message it is showing is this. Okay, now just a second, guys. I guess you are not able to see the these are the files that I've downloaded. Okay, so I just unzipped those files, and this is the part where I was talking about that you have to open these files with Notepad. Okay, so this is the encrypted code, guys. Okay, this is the encrypted code. Okay, so you just have to open this with Notepad, and then copy this and paste it into the respective sections. Okay, so this I hope this thing is clear to you. Okay, this part has not been recorded because of some technical issues with my screen recorder. Okay, now again moving ahead, now that our SSL has been successfully installed, and this is how you install SSL successfully on your website. Okay, let us check. Okay, so when I will again click on refresh this website, then I hope that this website will open with a SSL certificate, and it's working fine, because now as you can see, this website have a lock symbol. Okay, lock symbol means this website has connection that is secured. Okay, then it means that whatever information you put onto this website is secure, and it's working fine. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for learning this, and do implement this on your website or the problems you might face anytime sooner. Okay, thank you so much.